This is a small video from my phone. Just see how the weather is right now. It's an extreme snow out here, and snow hazard is so huge. Just see the depth of the ice. These people are continuously cleaning the ice, but still you can see my cars are deep inside the snow. I have to just go this side. See the condition. The snow wind is so bad that your ears, it goes deep into the ears, deep into your mind. Just see the height of the snow. You cannot even take out your car. Really, this is my cars, but I cannot take it out. Everywhere, wherever your sight goes, it's ice. Everything is white. It's my place of stay.